Note that I just finished telling all of you about the Peekskill cannibal massacre not being an isolated incident. Here we are just a day later, and the body count is piling up faster than a bad Steven Seagal movie. Oh, sorry, that's redundant, isn't it? The news tells us that a few more bodies were discovered in Haverstraw, in the Hispanic community, that it appeared also to have been eaten by rats. Yeah, those same Peekskill rats who stole old people's dentures and then ran across the Bear Mountain Bridge down to Haverstraw to chew on some other victims of gang violence. So how come all those men in white bunny suits and respirators are cleaning up the crime scene like it's the fucking plague? I'll tell you why. Because they know damn well that something is out there and they can't stop it. Now, I'm about to tell you something I never thought I would say. Something I never said when I was up to my asshole in black ops in dozens of shithole countries. And it wasn't something I said when I was captured and tortured for days. I'm scared. For the first time in my life, I admit I'm afraid of what's about to happen. I've seen enough of this filthy, rotten world to know that there's a whole pile of shit about to come raining down on our heads. I can feel it in my bones. Let's hope those denture-wearing rats never get to my bones. Like Keats said, when I have fears that I may cease to be before my pen has gleaned my teeming brain, yada, yada, yada. I feel your pain, Johnny boy. I doubt any of us will live long enough for our pens to glean our brains. But since I can talk a lot faster than I can write, you'll find me here every night, till the moon rises over the Catskills. Later, Voice of the Hudson.